Ever see an ad promising a guaranteed return on your money and a little alarm bell goes off in your head? In the world of finance, that word guaranteed is a big, shiny red flag. We've all been conditioned to believe that in the investment universe, nothing is ever truly certain. There's always a risk. So when a platform like StashAway rolls out a product called StashAway Simple Guaranteed, it's natural to be skeptical. Is it a clever marketing trick? A high-risk gamble in disguise? Or could this be the exception to the rule, a legitimate way to earn a solid, predictable return without the usual market anxiety? Today, we're cutting through the noise to figure out if StashAway Simple Guaranteed is truly legit. To do that, we first have to understand what makes it different from your standard StashAway portfolio, or even your bank's fixed deposit. StashAway is a robo-advisor, an automated investment platform. Its main products, like the general investing portfolios, are subject to market volatility. You can make money, but you can also lose it. But the Simple Guaranteed product is a different beast entirely. It's not an investment portfolio exposed to the stock market or bonds. Instead, it's a cash management solution. When you put your money into StashAway Simple Guaranteed, the platform takes your funds and places them into fixed deposits with partner banks. The key word here is guaranteed. The interest rate you see when you lock in your money for a specific period, whether it's 1, 3, or 6 months, is the rate you get. It doesn't fluctuate with market conditions. It doesn't drop unexpectedly. This is a huge selling point, especially for money you need in the near future, like an emergency fund or a down payment on a car. The return is locked in, and your principal is secure. So, where's the catch? The guarantee comes with one very important caveat. While the principal and interest are guaranteed by the underlying bank, the funds are not insured by a national deposit insurance scheme, like the SDIC in Singapore or similar schemes in other countries. With a traditional bank account or a fixed deposit you open yourself, your funds are protected up to a certain limit in the highly unlikely event that the bank fails. With StashAway Simple Guaranteed, that protection doesn't exist. Your money is still safe because it's held in fixed deposits, but its safety rests on the health of the partner banks, not on a government-backed scheme. It's a crucial distinction. StashAway itself is a regulated entity, and your funds are held in segregated accounts separate from the company's own assets. This protects you if StashAway were to shut down. But the risk you take on is the underlying bank risk. While StashAway partners with reputable, well-established banks, it's a risk you need to be aware of. In terms of fees, there are none. StashAway earns a small spread, the difference between the interest rate they get from the bank and the slightly lower rate they pass on to you. This is how they make their money while keeping the process transparent and simple for the end user. So, is StashAway Simple Guaranteed legit? The answer is yes. It's a legitimate, low-risk product for managing cash that offers a guaranteed return that you can lock in. It's not a scam or a scheme. But it's essential to understand that its guarantee is fundamentally different from the guarantee on your standard bank deposit. It's an ideal tool for parking short-term cash you don't want exposed to market volatility, but you must do so with a full understanding of how the product works and the specific risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.